Hello, Assalamualaikum. Today in this video I will explain about indices and I will explain you in detail about law of indices. Alright? So now the first thing is when your a power of 0, that means it's equal with 1. Alright? So when your a power of m, you multiply with a, power of n. So that means is a m plus n. When your a power of m, you divide by a power of n, that means a m minus n. When your a power of m, you multiply with power of n, that means is a m n. When your a negative n, your power is negative n, that means is a 1 over a power of n. When your a 1 over m equals to square root. This one you must be careful. You see here is a now your m will be here, and your number 1 will be here. Let's say I put here, let's say n. So your m, your m will be here. Your n will be outside. Alright, now we proceed with the questions. Alright, so now let's say I start with 5y power of 3 multiply 2y power of 2. What is your first step? First you settle the numbers first. So 5 times 2 is a 10. Alright. So now y 3. This is multiply, right? So you have to plus 2. So your answer will be 10 y power of 5. Now next. So let's say I give you 8, a, right? Multiply with 4, a power of 3. So now this one means 1. Alright? Settle number first. So 8 times 4, 32. So now a power of 1 plus 3. So that means is a 32 a power of 4. Right, next. I will show you many examples here. At least you understand how to solve your problems. So now let's say I give you 2x. Power of 2 multiply 3x power of 3. Now settle your number first. I put green color under here. Now 2 power of 2. So you multiply with 3 power of 3. So now x, this is 1. So 1 times 2, that means is a x power of 2. So now remember, multiply you have to plus. This one also means 1. If you don't see any number on top of x, that means is a 1. So 1 times 3, it means 3. So now 2 power of 2 means 4 Okay, 3 power of 3 means 27. So your x power of 5. So 4 times 27, it will be 108 x power of 5. Easy? Alright, you proceed. Okay, now let's say I give you 4x. No, we put 4z. Alright, okay, 4z power of 4, you multiply with z power of negative 7. Alright, now number 4. Okay, here means 1. Okay, so 4 times 1 means 4. Your z now, 4 power of 4. Remember, multiply means plus. Plus negative 7. So 4z. Okay. Plus positive, negative means negative, right? So 4 minus 7, it will be negative 3. Okay. Alright, easy? Okay, proceed. Okay, next. Let's say I give you 6x power of negative 2. You divide by 3x power of 2. Okay. Settle number first. Okay, 6 and 3. So that means is a 6 divided by 3. Okay, 6 over 3. So now your put up here. So your x now negative 2. If here is divide, that means you have to minus 2. Okay, so 6 divided by 3 means 2. X negative 4. Alright, okay. Now, I put index as a fraction now. So 4 x 3 over 2. Alright, so you divide by 2. X 1 over 2. Okay, number first. Okay, so 4 divided by 2. Now x divide, you have to minus. So 3 over 2 minus 1 over 2. So 4 divided by 2 means 2 x. So here 3, because here same, right, the bottom part. So 3 minus 1 is 2 over 2. That means your answer is 2x power of 1. Okay, so if you don't want to put 1 also, it's okay. Alright, okay. Now, if I give you like this, 27 negative 2 over 3. Okay. Alright, so we have to get rid of the sign of negative here. So that means you have to put 1 over 27. Okay. So now here your index now, your index now is your power become positive. But okay, you have to put like this, 1 over 27. Okay, now you see, square root. Okay, the bottom part, the bottom number you have to put here. Okay, put bracket. The top one you have to put outside the bracket. So now it's become 1 over, okay, what number you multiply 3 times, you got 27. So definitely is a 3, correct? So square, so your answer now will be 1 over 9. Okay? Alright, next. Okay, so let's say I give you 36. 1 over 2, alright, multiply 27, 1 over 3. Alright, put the number first, 36, you multiply here, 27. Okay, focus the number. Now, Okay, I'll show you. Okay, here you have to put, okay, the bottom number you have to put here. Put bracket, the top one you put outside the bracket. Same like this. Okay, number 3 here, put the bracket 1. So what number you multiply 2 times, you got 26. So definitely is a 6. Power of 1, you multiply, here means 3 power of 1. So 6 power of 1, 6. 3 power of 1, 3. So 6 times 3 equals to 18. Alright? Okay, next. Okay, let's say I give you, okay, 1 over 1000. Okay, so 2 over 3. So same thing, 1 over 1000. Okay, so you do the square root here. Number 3 here, put the bracket. Number 2 after the bracket, okay, outside. So that means is a 1 over 10. Okay, so square. So that means here equals to 1 over 100. Okay, easy. Okay, it's a fun, right? Okay, now next. How about I give you 4 negative 1 over 2. Okay, so power of 2. Okay, now focus the index first. Okay, so now 4, remember here 4m, you multiply with n, your answer will be AMN, correct? So same here, negative 1 over 2, you multiply with 2. Okay, so now cut, you can, okay, so that means here is 4 negative 1. So this means when you see the index, okay, negative, that means you have to put 1 over 4. Okay, now next. Okay, how about if I give you 5x power of 2? Okay, how? First number. So 5 power of 2, and then you focus x. So 2 times 2 is a 4, right? So 5 square, that means 20. 5x power of 4. Okay? Alright. One more. If I give you 10ab, okay, square. Okay, now number. Okay, so then 10 power of 2, this one means 1, yeah? Okay, if you don't see any number on top of number A and B, that means it's a 1. So A, 1 times 2 is a 2. B, 1 times 2 is a 2 also. So 10 square equals to 100. A square, B square. Okay? Alright. Now, okay, let's say I give you something like this. Okay, so 1 over 2, okay, x. So your index now is negative 1. Okay, when you see index negative 1, you have to put 1. So 1 over 1 over 2. Okay, so x. Now here, that means what? 1 divide. This line means is a divide. 1 over 2. Okay, when you want to switch to the multiply, you have to switch the place. Okay, so that means 2 here and number 1 bottom. Okay, so 1 times 2 equals to 2. Now 2x negative 1, correct? So now that means you have to bring down here, because you want to create this one as a positive, right? So it's become 2 over x power of 1. Or you don't need to put 1 also, it's okay. Alright? Okay? Now, next. If I give you 2x squared, alright, let's say y, okay, power of 3. So same thing. First number 2, here also means 1, yeah? Here also 1. So 1 times 3, power of 3, x, 2 times 3, power of 6, correct? Okay, now your y, 1 times 3, 3. So 2 power of 3 means 8, x power of 6, y power of 3. Okay, now, so how about if I give you x squared, y squared, minus x power of 1, y power of 3. Okay, same thing, this is multiply. So that means you have to plus. Okay, you focus x first, x. 2 plus 1. And then you take y. Y, 2 plus 3. So now x power of 3, y power of 5. Okay? Okay, next. Okay, let's say I give you 4. X 1 over 2 multiply, okay, 8, 3 over 2. Okay, same thing. Okay, put the number first. Okay, so now, okay, you have to multiply the number first. Alright. Okay, so 4 times 8 is mean 32. Correct? So now x. 1 over 2 plus 3 over 2. So 32x. 3 plus 1 means 4, right? So 4 over 2 means power of 2. Okay? I hope you understand. Alright? So please subscribe my channel. So, okay, I'll see you for the next video, inshallah. Assalamualaikum.